শাস্ত্র গুরু আত্মা রূপে আপনাকে জানান, কৃষ্ণ মোর প্রভুত্রতা জীবের হয়ে জ্ঞান। হ্যাঁ, মায়া মুগ্ধ জীবের নাহি কৃষ্ণ স্মৃতি জ্ঞান, জীবের কৃপায় কইলে কৃষ্ণ বেদ পুরাণ। হ্যাঁ, মায়া মুগ্ধ জীব, conditioned soul, completely forgotten Krishna. Krishna smriti gyan. Huh? God, Krishna is so merciful. Krishna is such a friend of ours. He gave Veda Puranas. Huh? Jivere kripaye koile Krishna Veda Puran. Kripa, mercy, for the mercy of this forgetful jivas, conditioned souls. Huh? Krishna gave Veda Purana. You understand? Do you understand? And he speaks through that. All Veda Puranas, he speaks through. Do you understand? Again, what is said in Veda Puranas, you cannot understand also. Follow? Can you understand? No, you can't understand what is said in Veda Puranas. Why you cannot understand? Huh?
Condition.
If you get education, you can read. I think yes, I can understand. But you cannot understand. Why? Huh? Because it is to be understood in tattva. Do you follow? Tattva vichar. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Janma karmam sami divyam evam jo vidhi tattvataha tekta deham punarjanma naiti samangeti Arjuna. Huh? My birth or my appearance, my activities are not material or transcendental. One who knows it in tattva, in truth. Huh? After quitting this body, definitely he will come to me. No rebirth. He will never come back here again, never take birth here. Huh? Isn't it, Mr. Dev? Huh? This is tattva vichar. By reading, mere reading these Veda Puranas, you cannot understand. You cannot understand tattva. It is to understand in tattva. If you cannot understand in tattva, you cannot go back home, back to Godhead. No? Nabhijanati tattena atacchyavanti te. That she says in Bhagavad Gita. One who doesn't know me in tattva must fall down. Huh? To understand in tattva means your admittance is there. Huh? This is like visa granted. Visa granted. Huh? Admittance. Huh? You go from one country to another country, you have made it. Geographical boundary is man-made. Still, such restriction, you cannot enter. Yeah, you should have passport, you should have granted visa, and bottom line you have so, visa granted, admittance. No time, get out. Huh? It is here in material world, so how can you go to spiritual world? Huh? This visa is to be granted. Huh? Na vijanati tatte no tacchyavanti te. If someone doesn't know me in tattva, you cannot enter into my kingdom, you must fall down. Huh? Do you understand? Tadama tattva gyanta visate tadanantaram, he said. One understands me in tattva, then visate enters into my kingdom. Admittance, yes, admittance, chalo. Huh? Isn't it? Therefore, though mercifully he gave Veda Puranas for conditioned souls, those are forgotten Krishna, but they cannot understand it in tattva. So, Guru is required. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekyanti te jnano jnanina tattvadarshina. Isn't it? Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekyanti te jnano jnanina tattvadarshina. Tad vijnanartham sa gurunga bhavi gachet samitpani satyam brahmanishtam Upanishad says. To understand this vijnana, Bhagavata vijnana, understand my language? Understand my language, everybody? My language, please say, otherwise I feel desperate or disappointed. What I am saying, nobody can understand. Vijnanartham sagurunga gaccheta. You must understand this Vijnana. This human birth is meant for it. Understand? Human birth is meant for it. It's a dullabha manusa janma. This manus janma, human birth is rarely achieved birth. And it's meant for understanding Krishna in Tattva. Do you understand? And you must approach a guru, Tattvacharya, who knows Tattva. Isn't it? Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadikshyanti te jnano jnanina tattvadarshina. Tattvadarshina, seer of the truth. Huh? Who is he? Who is seer of truth? Huh? Bolo? Huh?
The devotee of Krishna.
Adya jnana tattva brade Brajendra Kumar. Adya jnana tattva brade Brajendra Kumar. Brajendra Kumar, son of Nanda Maharaj, is absolute truth. Adya jnana tattva. Mr. Dev, don't concoct. Concoction will never help you, Baba. Chiram vichinnan, isn't it? If you concoct lots of life, you cannot approach Krishna. Chiram vichinnan. Do you understand? Adya jnana tattva braje Brajendra Kumar. Brajendra Kumar, son of Nanda Maharaj, is Adya jnana tattva, is absolute truth. Who sees him? Tattvadarshina. Who sees him? He is the seer of truth. Understand me? So you must approach such a person, Guru. Tattvadarshi Guru. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadikshyanti te jnano jnanina tattvadarshina. This is the process. Pranipata pariprasna seva. First you must go and surrender unto him. Isn't it? Mr. Dev is not surrendering. He is only concocting. Yes, I do this thing. Building castle in there. You are building castle in there, Mr. Dev. Don't do it, Baba. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnana sevaya upadikshyanti te jnano jnanina tattvadarshina. First you should approach such a tattvadarshi Guru, who is the seer of the truth, who sees Nanda Krishna, Jasodanandana Krishna, always. Yes, jahan netra pade, taha Krishna spure. Wherever he looks, he sees Krishna. Yes. Such a tattvadarshi Guru you have to approach. Pranipat, surrender. Sishyateham sadhimang tam prapannam. Isn't it? Sishyateham sadhimang tam prapannam. I become your Sishya. I prapanna. I surrender unto me. Surrender unto you. Isn't it? Completely surrender means what? I completely belong to you. I don't belong to myself. Surrender means this. You belong to yourself, Mr. Dev. Isn't it? One accepts Guru, surrenders means he is Guru's. Isn't it? From that moment, he becomes Guru's. No more belongs to himself. I am Guru's. Yes. That is prapanna, surrender. Complete surrender, unconditional surrender. Sishyateham sadhimang tam prapannam. I become your Sishya, I become your disciple, I come under strict discipline. Please inflict discipline on me. I surrender, I come to surrender. I belong to you. From this moment I don't belong to myself, I belong to you, Gurudev. Sadhimang, inflicting discipline, purify me, then impart tattva gyan, that is sadhimam. Huh? Pranipata pariprasna seva. You will serve Guru, please him, then humbly inquire. Humbly inquire, tattva jigyasa. Athato brahma jigyasa, tattva jigyasa.